How to fix Capcut export error. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Capcut and go to the project. Then click on Menu at the top left corner of your screen. In here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Performance at the top. And make sure there's no tick mark in Speed Up Hardware Encoding. After you do that, press on Save at the bottom. Now you can simply go back from the Capcut, minimize this tab of the Capcut app. After you've done that, simply restart your device. After you have restarted your device, open Capcut again and try exporting your video. This is how to fix Capcut export error. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.